Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the simple and effective way to verify your Remotasks account step by step. With no hassle, welcome to our channel. We know that verifying your Remotasks account can seem a bit confusing at first. But don't worry, as I'll guide you step by step to get it done quickly and smoothly. First step is to log into your Remotasks account using your email and password from the official site or app. Once logged in, navigate to your profile or account settings, where verification options are usually located. Next, you will see an option to verify your identity or account. Click on that and prepare to provide the necessary documentation. Remotasks verification typically requires you to upload a government-issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Ensure your documents are clear and readable, because blurry or invalid documents can cause delays. After uploading your documents, you will be asked to take a selfie or a photo to match your face with the ID provided. This step is crucial for identity confirmation, so follow the instructions to capture a clear, well-lit photo. Once you have submitted these items, the system will begin processing your verification, which usually takes anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on demand. During this period, avoid making multiple submissions or changes, because it can slow the process. Instead, check your email or Remotasks notifications regularly for updates. If your verification is successful, you will receive a confirmation message, and your account status will update, allowing you to start working on tasks immediately. If for some reason your verification is denied, carefully review the rejection reason provided and try the process again, making sure to follow all guidelines closely. In summary, start with logging and then upload clear government ID, followed by a matching selfie. The verification will be processed soon. And once confirmed, you can enjoy working on Remotasks without interruptions. Remember that following every step carefully is the key to a quick and successful verification. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.